In this video, I'm going to capture the problems out of the book that I wanted you to practice for the midterm exam. Each one of these pages has 2 to 4 problems on them. So what I would suggest is that you do at least one of the 2 problems on each of the 6 pages that I'm going to show you. And if you want to do the other one, that's fine, but I'm going to give you some time in class to do the other half or the other problem on each one of these pages because there are several, and I know these topics are pretty old, so you'll probably have to go back and look some things up in order to do them. This is the page 211 problems, so you can read through the instructions, and I would like you to try 38 and 39. 38 at home and perhaps 39 when you get back to class on Tuesday. So what you should do is just pause this video and write down the problems and then work them out on your own. And I'm going to go to the next page. This next page is page 228. Numbers 54 through 56 I thought were good problems, so I guess there are 3 problems on this page. So you can read the instructions in blue. This is no graphing calculator. And 54, 55, and 56 would be good ones for you to practice. The next ones are on page 486. Question numbers 1 and 2. These are finding component form of vectors. So you can try one or both of those. They shouldn't be too lengthy. Next page is 561. On page 561, or I'm sorry, page 560, this is partial fraction decomposition. And the 2 problems you should practice on this page are numbers 17 and 21. 17 and 21. They're 2 different types of partial fraction decomposition. Or if you want to try any of the other ones, you're certainly welcome to do that if you need the practice. The next page is 748. On 748, numbers 49 through 54. Now this is the sum of series, or this is actually a series. This is a sum of sequences. And I would expect you to do this without a calculator, and you would be using the sum formulas that you memorized in the chapter on sequences and series. So you should try try 3 of them, and then if you want to, you could try the other ones, or just wait until we get into class. And then on the last page of this assignment, page 797, this is parametric equations. Now this is very recent, so you probably remember how to do these pretty well. This is sketching parametric equations, so I'm looking at numbers 5 and 9 from this page. If you could sketch those without a graphing calculator, eliminate the parameter and write it as a rectangular equation. Let me zoom in on the instruction, or show you the instructions. You can see them. There you go. There you go, number 5 and 9. So that's it, and have a good weekend.